How to transfer funds from OKX to bank account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer funds from your OKX account to your bank account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have a verified account on OKX. If you have done that, open the OKX application on your mobile device or visit the OKX website. Ensure that you are logged into your account once you open the application. Here verification is not allowed in my region, so I am not able to verify it. But if you have verified your account, then you will be able to proceed further. After you are logged into your account, here tap on the 9 dots icon at the top left. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here under Manage Assets, you will be able to find this Withdraw option. You will need to tap on this Withdraw option. And in the next page, here you will need to select the currency you wish to withdraw, such as USD, Euro, etc. Here I have not completed my verification yet, so I am not able to proceed further. After you choose the currency you wish to withdraw, if you are withdrawing fiat currency, you will need to ensure you have linked your bank account. If you have already linked your bank account, you will be asked to input the amount you want to withdraw. If you haven't added your bank account yet, you will need to do so by providing your bank details like your account number. You may also need to verify your identity if you haven't done it yet. After verification, you will need to review the withdrawal details carefully, including any fees associated with the transfer. Once after doing that, you can confirm the withdrawal request. The processing time can vary depending on your bank and the withdrawal method you used. It may take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days for the funds to appear in a bank account. So by following these steps, you should be able to transfer funds from your OKX account to your bank account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.